Are you the kind of people who clap with the playing hands? What is that? Looking like a nice Bob Ross painting. Did you throw it over the fence?
Yes, I did. About it night and day. It doesn't make sense, but I want you.
He said he thought it was a puppy rolling around. It was a giant pig.
Yeah.
It's so vegan.
I don't think y'all know how hard this
It's all about you, idiot.
Shoulder work, more like boulder work.
But I want you.
Where's my son? That's the wrong thing in the tank. It was the bluefish, you idiot, that said fluff.
Oh yeah, he's right. He's funny. It's like a ball.
A little girl just went, hey look, a butterfly! I just like, scoop, and just catch a butterfly.
Is now closing. Anybody left in the building? 300 for spark.
Bring it, see how fast the hunt become the hunted. I just want a butterfly to live on my finger.
They hate you.
It says shake to light it up. Oh, my phone died right whenever I was trying to say it.
I've been so lonely that I can't stop.
It has braided hair!
That's awesome. And I'm walking in the dark. Oh, it's all my hopes and fears.
All right.
Climbs to the top.
Fed a horse.
'Cause I want you. We've got
Whitney who?
no
Whitney Houston.
reason. We don't know. She don't want me anymore, but I still stay around. And you know, we'll try again to find some more, but I will stay around.
What? Roller coaster time! What?
Figure out who I am or who I'm supposed to be. Feel good about where I stand so I can make the most of me. Coming back down.
up on me.
Grabbed each other and they went, get down! So scary.
We haven't even moved yet.
I wanna see another love revolution. Found a way to be a
I've heard Alyssa yell.
We come together like we should. We could all be good.
I pulled the cord and we went straight down and I was like, I pulled it wrong. We're about to splat. I thought we were gonna die. I thought I killed us all. Julian didn't want to do it, and as soon as he said it, I pulled it. We were vertical. We were vertical.